Step one, we're going to pre-drill the hole. Well, step one, secure the PVC so that you can drill it. For the first drill, you can drill anywhere. It doesn't really matter as long as there's going to be enough PVC on either side of the hole so that you can attach it to your bar. So we're going to pre-drill it, and then we're going to put this bit on. So this is basically just going to cut down through, and that's what's going to make our the round cut in the end of our tube, so that we can butt it up. We can butt it cleanly up against the aerobar. Okay, so there it is cut. So step two is, you don't have to do this, but I highly recommend it. Take some sandpaper. This PVC is going to be sharp after you're done cutting it, and this edge, that will be sharp enough to do serious damage to you if you should slip and run your arm or your finger or something across it. So take some sandpaper and make it dull. I have done it on this side. I have not yet done it on that side. Measure. After measure, we're going to mark. Quick word about this. This is, so here's one. I cut this for another project, but remember that the inside diameter is the distance between your arrow bars is from here to here. So if this is the one we already cut, then I'm going to put a mark, and that mark is going to be the innermost reach of this bit as it goes down through there. Okay, so don't cut it and then pre-drill the hole right here. Cut it, then mark the distance of the bit, and then pre-drill right there, and then cut down through it. And then you'll have the right size. So measure, mark, cut. Before we go too much further, let's make sure this thing fits. It's tight. There we go. Okay. Not perfect, but good enough for us. Next step, we're going to fix it on there with some zip ties. So these are the zip ties I picked. You may pick some that are a little smaller, some that are a little bigger. These are definitely long enough for the job. And then find a drill bit, the shank of which is about the same size, or maybe a little bigger than the width of your zip strip. And then we're gonna drill 2 holes in here, all the way through and through on both sides, to feed the zip strip through and wrap it around our aerobar. Sanity check. Last step, well, besides putting it on, I guess. This is optional, but I put a little zip strip through here so I could hold it up, and I'm going to paint it black just because, you know, white sticks out on my bike. I'm not sure how this paint's going to work. I took a little sandpaper and roughed up the surface here, and I'm going to give it a shot. The finished product. Not fancy, but effective.